Good morning to one and all. First of all, let me congratulate the KIETS Engineering College for conducting national conference on knowledge-based innovative electronics and telecommunication systems. And I congratulate the management, administration, and faculty and students of this institution to conduct this IETE sponsored event. It is a reasonably, IETE sponsored means that brand already came. This college is also having the very much brand in the outside space, outside world. And we are all fortunate to be the students of this institute. And for all the participants also, this is a good platform to share the knowledge among yourself. Because electronics and telecommunication means that it is having wide variety of streams are there. Signal processing stream, image processing stream, VLSI stream, antenna stream, communication stream. There are some sensor stream, whatnot. So many streams, even high-end communication systems, all streams are there in this particular branch. And it is a platform to share the knowledge among all these streams. Okay, so that's why I got the information that nearly 192 papers they received, and out of that 92 papers they got selected. And for all the participants, I wish you all the best. Your participation itself is a good thing. Okay, your participation itself is a congratulatory thing. Regarding this title is concerned, our former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, always insisting that knowledge makes you great. Knowledge makes you great. That title perfectly coincides with that particular slogan. This is the knowledge-based inventive electronics and telecommunication systems. Knowledge-based inventive. There are so many words, many main words coming into the title itself. Knowledge-based inventive, EC structure. Okay. Here, the main thing of this particular event, particular conference is, it is an designing of an inventive electronics and communication system with embedded system attachment to solve the complex problems. That is the main aim. It is a designing of an intelligent electronics and communication system. What is the difference between the ECE, electronics and communication, and intelligent electronics and communication means that wherever we are using the intelligent thing, that means nowadays all of you heard that artificial intelligence. We are in the era of artificial intelligence. We are in the era of digital era. At present we are in the digital era, that too we are in the AI era, and we are going to be the quantum era. Of course. Okay, recently, just in this week itself, our Honorable Chief Minister has inaugurated the quantum test beds in Amravati. That is an opportunity. That is the latest technology. We are going to see the quantum era also in future. Definitely we are going to see the quantum era in future. And my particular point to my students is, all students are mainly having the innovative and creative ideas. Present nation wants innovative students, creative students. You should grab this particular opportunity. There they have our state government established quantum test beds. There you have go and see that, and you can get the knowledge and the quantum also. When the quantum technology coming to the dominating mode, all these things will be reshaping. All our desktop computers, all our laptop computers, all our mobile phones, okay, will be replaced by the quantum technology devices. That's the thing. So that's why wherever the technology coming into the picture, you should grab that opportunity. But whenever technology coming into the thing, you should use in the proper positive mode only. For example, this mobile phone, మన చేతిలో ఇది ఒక వజ్రాయుధం. Okay, at the same time, this should be used in a proper manner. Positive manner. Whenever we are having any doubt in the subject for gaining the knowledge, you have to use this one. Whenever you want to talk with your parents, use this one. For other things, it is a time-consuming process. That's why our students our things, presently our students, all of you know that everybody is nowadays, we are mainly striving for startups. In major cities, for every street, they are having one startup. Like that, whatever the idea we are having, whatever the innovative idea we are having, you share with your faculty and put it in the proper format and apply to that government. Then you can start, after completion of your BTech, you can start the startup. And you can provide some job opportunities to your friends also. That is the spirit what we need. That is the spirit the present generation requires. And of course, the present generation is more active and they are having all these points. And here you see that our communication, for example, initially 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G coming days, 6G also coming, 7G also coming. That means we are giving utmost importance to the communication rather than the money. In the present scenario, in the olden days, money is the highest priority. In the present consideration, in the present generation, in the present scenario, communication is we need high secured communication. We need a very high secured communication. That's why so many multiplexing processes, time division multiplexing, phase division multiplexing, frequency division multiplexing, space division multiplexing, and also code division multiplexing, very secured communication we want right now. Okay, we require the secured communication between the two friends or in between the two, our Indian Army posts also we need a secured communication. That much importance we have to give the communication. That's the reason why, whether it is a mission-to-mission communication, whether it is a person-to-person communication, whether it is a person-to-mission communication, everything will be secured form we need. That's why these 5G, 6G, later on we are going to get the 7G, 8G also. There is no doubt in it. Faster communication. Now that is the reason. If you want to get your contact in USA, immediately you can talk right now. Within 1 minute, you are going to discuss with your friend or with any firm there. In the olden days, that situation is not there. Okay. Now, even this thing. Optical fiber communication also. That you know it very well. Fiber communication in between the LAN connectivity in the computer labs also we have the fiber connectivity. In between the internet cables also underwater sea fiber cables are there. Fiber optic communication also you think that through light source we are going to send our message signals. Okay, that means that message signal, whatever it may be a thing, it is in the sound form, it converted into electrical form, it converted into a light form through optical fiber, or that waveform we can transmit from this place to that place, whatnot. So these are all the things. So many inventions are going on by our research organizations also. For example, ISRO has launched nearly 5-6 years back 104 satellites at a single stretch, with a single pulse. 104 satellites in the proper position we are going to launch. That is the credit of our scientists. We have launched our space moon mission also successfully. That is the technology right now. That is the state of our technology. My request to all the student community, we have to deal with the state of our technology like that. We have to deal with the state of our technology like that. Okay. Then, recently, as all of you know that, Operation Sindoor. How successful in that Operation Sindoor, you know it very well. Our missiles, how it will be firing properly with proper guidance, inertial guidance and internal guidance, and with proper navigational activity, how it will successfully, we made it that Operation Sindoor made it success means that because of missiles. In the missiles, what are there, you know it? Our electronic component, PLL is there. Phase lock loop is there in the missile. Once a missile is fired and it will check the enemy target and the PLL loop locked there in the missile and it will directly go and hit the particular enemy target. That is the thing. That PLL, there is still a lot of research is going on the PLL. In that state of our technology, we have to participate. Again, our own navigation system, our scientists have developed, that is nothing but a IRNS system, or that is also called as a NAVIC, the public scenario. So these are all the state of art technology. You have to reach it and you have to use it. Even quantum technologies also. Entanglement, separate words, superposition techniques, entanglement, adaptability with classical beats. These are all the so many advanced technology, advanced terminology coming into the picture. You have to know all these things. Okay. Now, I think I request the management and principal also, sir, if possible, please establish some incubation centers, with the collaboration of industry. I think we are already having the incubation center, and some center of excellences also, based on the domain expertise of your faculty, domain expertise of the students. They have not all center of excellence, some of the center of excellences based on the domain expert knowledge developed, sir. That is because KIETS is having its own brand value that will enhance. Even students are publishing the papers, means that represents the quality of that particular institution. Even I request the faculty members also, please publish the papers, either in Scopus or essay. Try to, in addition to the academics, research also equal importance in the educational institutions. Okay, you have to take care of that particular thing, and whatever the recently so many hackathons, student hackathons coming into the picture. My request to all the participants and student community here, please involve in the, yourself involve in that particular hackathons, and that provides some innovativeness, that provides some creativeness. By whatever the creativeness we are having, that provide the platform to establish your creative, to make it a product in nature. మీ యొక్క క్రియేటివ్ ఐడియాని ప్రోడక్ట్గా తయారు చేయడానికి దట్ ఈస్ అ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. హ్యాకథాన్ ఈజ్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాక్టివ్లీ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ దట్ హ్యాకథాన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ మై మెయిన్ థింగ్. అండ్ హియర్ present latest technology means that machine learning algorithms, AI, deep learning technologies, CNN, what not. There are latest advanced technologies are coming into the picture for better classification. Even biomedical engineering also, our electronics is there. ECG, EEG, EMG. So in all areas our electronics, even electrical field, in motor field, in mechanical field, in all fields our electronics penetrated into the, like that only. Okay, the electronics penetrated into the all the fields. These are all the opportunities are there. You have to grab that opportunities. And for all in this particular contest, I want to tell one important quotation from Swami Vivekananda: arise, awake, and stop, not till the goal is reached. This is the slogan given by the great personality Swami Vivekananda garu. And my thing is all the participants, I congratulate all the participants who have actively participating in this particular national conference. I congratulate the entire college management and administrators for conducting this particular program for the benefit of students. For the benefit of students only we are conducting these type of programs. Remember it. Okay, with all these things, once again I thank the entire management and principal and students for inviting me as a chief guest for this occasion. I wish you all the best. Thank you, all.